way down for you.
How's it feel, Bob?
Just as easy as I thought it was going to be, you know.
You gotta at least do one loop. I don't know, maybe not. Your plane's not really made for it, is it? You have to play with mine.
I landed my flaps are reversed. I need to reverse them.
Uh-oh.
Nose it down instead of up.
You can just about land just with no, almost no throttle and coasting.
That's what I was wanting to do.
You just gotta use your rudder and keep your nose up. And just glide it in. Practice you landing in the air.
No motor whatsoever. I'm floating.
Yeah, just glide it.
Look, I've done one come across halfway across.
Yep.
I'm afraid the battery's gonna go dead on me.
That's what worries me. I'm afraid that I'm gonna mess up my
I'm gonna try
landing.
to come in like the way I took off, so I can make the parking lot a little longer.
Yeah.
People's watching me.
That's what worries me though, is messing up my landing and then running out of battery.
It actually flies really good.
It don't seem to be real touchy.
It ain't not perfect.
Man, mine is. I dread seeing how touchy it's going to be. There you go. A little bit slower than that, you got it.
It's alright, I'm coming down this time. I feel like it's lost power.
Does it? First time trying to land. Easy down. Oh, a good save.
Not too bad for a very first time.
My dumb ass, I dropped the camera. I thought it was going to hit the fence.
I was afraid of. I was like, oh shit.
All right.